Hey hippies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this eyeshadow look right here. I've been wanting to do a halo eyeshadow look for a long time now, but I pretty much had to teach myself how to do it. I teach myself how to do all my makeup because of YouTube. So I thought I would film this look because I have been practicing it and I think I've got it down pretty good. A halo eyeshadow look is also known as a spotlight eyeshadow look. And it's just an eyeshadow technique to make your eyes appear larger and rounder. So you can basically think of it like a sandwich. I'm hungry. So it's pretty much just a light colored eyeshadow or shimmer shade like I did in the middle of your eye, sandwiched by one darker shade on the outer and inner corner of your eyes. And I'm just really loving this technique of eyeshadow. I know I'm a little late to the trend. A halo eye has been around for years, but I just kind of got around to doing it, so I thought I would share it with you guys. I actually did an Instagram poll on my stories to see which palette I should use. It was a toss-up between the Carli Bybel palette and the Kat Von D Lolita palette, and I love both of these, but the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Carli Bybel won, so thank you guys for voting. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this halo eye look, then just keep watching. To start off this look, I'm going to be taking the shade Bybel on a big fluffy brush and just buffing that all over the lid and the crease. Now I'm going to take the color Stev and really pack that on the outer and inner corners of my eyes. I'm not being precise with it whatsoever because we're gonna blend that out later. I'm just really making sure I'm building up that color and making it really pigmented on the outer and inner corners of our eyes. Remember, we're making a sandwich and this is the bread. Now I'm going to take the shade Cindy to really blend out that shade Stev, and I'm making sure that I'm just really blending so there's no harsh lines and it just looks really seamless. Now I'm taking an eyeshadow base. You could use a concealer too and just really focusing it in the middle part of the eye so that shadow will really stick. Using my finger, I'm going to take the shade Aura and pack that right in the center of the eye where we put our eyeshadow primer, and this is going to really make the eyes pop. To add a little extra pop, because we like to shine around here, I'm going to take the shade Moo and just put it on top of that Aura shade. To finish up this look, I'm going to take the shade Bybel that we originally started with and just really blend out the crease and make sure everything is nice and flawless, seamless, and doesn't look harsh at all. And then I just threw on some liner and lashes and this look is complete. So this is the final eyeshadow look. I freaking love the halo eye. I used to be all about a cut crease, which I still am, but I don't know, halo is my new jam. I really hope this tutorial helped you guys out because YouTube is how I learn how to do makeup. So if I can share what I know or how I do things, then that's what I'm all about. If you guys are new to my channel, hey girl, hey. I kind of have a shopping addiction, so I love buying new makeup, sharing it with you guys, and whenever I could teach you guys some new tricks that I've learned, then I love to share that with you as well. So that's all I have to say for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, hippies.
I swear, if you can hear that barking dog in this whole video, I'm gonna be pissed. Did you guys see my new piercing? I got my tragus pierced, and now I want to do like my whole ear. I'm gonna go step by step on how I got this look, so if you guys are interested in watching, then just keep watching. Now I want a sandwich.